Hey, let's make a card. We're going to start by stamping some flowers in some Tahitian Tide ink. Now we're going to stamp another flower from the same stamp set in Sweet Sorbet ink. Link in bio for the supplies. Next, we're going to add our sentiment in that same Sweet Sorbet ink. And now it's time to add our leaves. Now this particular stamp set has a stamp that has 2 leaves on it and then also one that has 1 leaf on it. And we're going to get both of those in on this card. Be sure to follow iTeach Stamping for more card making ideas. Now we're going to do some doodling with our marker. I love to do dot doodling. It just highlights some of our image and helps it pop a little bit more. So I'm doing it in the same colors, and around the flowers I'm adding some dots, and then on the inside of the leaves I'm adding some more dots. Not on all the leaves, just on some of them. Just gives it that extra pop of bright color. Now it's time to add it to our card base using that same green that we did for the leaves, and press it down. We're done.